Hello everyone. Good evening. You're welcome to today's class. All right. Papa Charles.
Yes, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. All right, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to today's class and the day 2 of our Python for data analysis. You are all welcome. And how was our day? I believe our day went fine. Glory, you're welcome. How was your day? Oh,
Thank you for the welcome. I'm good, Mr. Promise.
okay. All right. And last week we stopped. It was on Wednesday, right? Okay, on Wednesday we stopped at what is data. So today we'll be looking at a concept that what is data wrangling and munging, wrangling, and cleaning. What are they? Does anyone have any idea on what is data munging, what is data wrangling and cleaning? Have you heard about these terms before? Have you come across these terms before?
I think I just looked at it briefly. I looked at it briefly somehow, and it's saying that data munching is the same thing as data wrangling, that it has to do with preparing data so that it can be, what's it called, so that it can be used for machine learning and all that.
Yeah.
I just browsed it in passing anyway. I was a bit.
Okay. Okay. How about you, Glory? Have any idea or have you come across the concept before?
I've heard of it.
Okay, you've heard of it. Okay. So do you have any idea on what it was all about? The munging, the wrangling, as well as cleaning. Can you say something about them?
I think wrangling is more of manipulating data, although I'm not quite sure. Kind of like creating pipelines. Cleaning is just structuring the data to ensure it's well structured. I don't know about mugging.
All right. Like what Pastor Charles said that, yeah, and when he went through the meaning online, he noticed that both data munging and data wrangling they are kind of used interchangeably, right? Yeah, they are kind of used interchangeably. They are similar, but they have some unique difference. Yeah, they are similar. They have some little difference. For instance, data munging talks about you transforming and preparing your raw data into a structured format that is suitable for your analysis. And this includes data gotten from different formats. You know, we have data even in text format, in voice format, even in pictures, videos. When you have those data, when you collect those data, you merge them. You try and put them in a structure which is stable, so that it can be used for analysis. Similar with wrangling. But when you are wrangling data, in wrangle you can wrangle data when it is only in one format, in the sense that while wrangling you can also do some little dirty visualization to visualize some dirty parts. Of course, when wrangling you can visualize too, because when you get data in a particular format, a you get data as a tabular from structured form, There's some data that you get, and it will have some image link in it. They have some image link in it. It came as a structured form, but it has some link to to some so to some various pictures, image. So you now could wrangle, you could trace those link, try to connect the dots and bring us some very important features in that data, in that image. So in that process, we are wrangling. It's almost the same thing with munging. That is to say, making your data ready for analysis. But cleaning is just that it is in one format. You now prepare it to check, to identify some incorrect or inaccurate values and fix them where necessary, such as removing duplicates and fixing up data type, and also addressing some missing values. These are basically these are the difference between this is what data munging, data cleaning, and data wrangling is all about. Okay, I have here in summary that okay, excuse me. All right, data cleaning is a component of, now how do they differ from each other and what are the differences? Data cleaning is a component of both data munging and data wrangling, which focusing on correcting errors and ensuring data quality. That to say, data cleaning is a subset of both data munging and data cleaning, data munging and data wrangling rather. Data munging and data wrangling they are broader process uh, that encompass data cleaning, but also include other activities to prepare data for analysis. Yes, like what I've said, when you merge data, you convert it from a different format to a structured format using any means at all. Any means, if it means that you have to copy those things by hand or do some extraction, any means at all, wrangle out the data from the file, from documents whatsoever. I think data entering expert, they do this a lot. Data entering experts. Have you experienced such? Have you done data entering task before? They have to extract files, data from PDF files, from image files, and the rest of them. Has anyone done such before?
So,
You've not.
No, no,
yeah,
no.
I've not.
Okay. Yeah, they munge and wrangle in those process where you get. I think I've done some jobs on that for data entry, where we asked to present a document on tabular form, go through the document and pick the important values, get them, you get a column there, then put the values, the rows and everything. To that, this was a process of munging. Data is not in a structured form. I have to bring it down by any means at all and bring it down into a structured form. Right. In essence, why data cleaning is about fixing issues within data. Data munging and wrangling involves a wide range of activities to make data suitable for analysis and use. Yes, wide range of activities. You're not just structured. I'm trying to bring together different forms of structure together, to different forms of formats to make it to be a structured structured data form. So any way at all I can't do that, I'll do it. Feel like I'm having a bunch of wires scattered together of different colors, scattered together. So and I want to use it for something. I have to start bringing each of the wire out, then arranging. Because of bringing them out, instead of they are tangled, all the wires are tangled, they are all tangled together. So, the process of me bringing them out, arranging them in a straight format. That is munging and wrangling. The process of now putting them in the same colors, mixing the colors separately, that's cleaning. Basically, that's a little way of explaining it. Now, example now, data munging is like sorting the toys into different colors. Data wrangling is like mixing such the toys are clean, making sure that the toys are clean and ready to be counted. While cleaning is like fixing any mistake, like finding a toy in the wrong color pile. That's just picking out those colors. Picking out those colors are your wrangling and monging them, arranging those colors, making sure that those colors are the same they are together in the same group is called your data cleaning. All right. So after that, we are having Python itself. Any question on that? Are you guys clear on that? Are we cleared? Any confusion?
The thing is, I don't really get the where the difference actually lies between data munging and data wrangling. That's just my concern anyway.
Basically, they don't have, I don't think they have a significant different kind of, like, look at what this last illustration I gave here. Now, data munging is like sorting the toys into different colors. Data wrangling is like making sure the toys are clean and ready to be counted. Now they are sorted into different. They are being sorted into a structured formats. I get me. You've merged your data set data. You brought them out from wherever they are and make it to be a structured format. Now looking at that structure now, I believe it might be still dirty. And now, why wrangling your data? Why monging your data? I told you that there might be a column there that have a link. I get me that you just copy a link address and put and fix on that column. Then why that link is there? What you don't want that link. You want the content of that link. You might click the link and it will now open either an image. That image can be some text. What you need is that text. So that process of getting that text out of that image is the wrangling process. You've merged they gave you, your boss gave you bunch of files, bunch of documents that you want everything to be in structured format. And mind you, he gave you and told you that any way you can handle it, just do it and handle it and show that I have the documents on a structure, the data on a structured format. He said, okay. Now you use your expertise and brought everything together, and you even included a link on you saw a link on document. You brought it down to the structured data point, data form, structured form. That link now is an image or a file somewhere. You click on the file, it opens, and there's some values or records that you need in that link. I might use that without that particular document value, the data set is not that clean or ready. It's not that ready rather to be used. When you are getting me, you go there, you pick the information and put there. Your data might still be dirty, might still have a dirty columns and dirty this, but you've now gotten all the required data points from the different data source into your structured form. The next point is to start cleaning. That's why we have here the data merging is like sorting the toys into different color, while wrangling is like making sure the toys are clean and ready to be counted. While data is like fixing any issues, like finding of toys in wrong color pile. I don't know if you are cleared.
Okay.
Are you cleared?
Yes.
How about you, Glory? Are you cleared?
I'm okay.
Okay, so basically the merging and the wrangling, they are kind of the same. Are you getting me? I said this little difference that they have, they are almost the same. We use them interchangeably. You can use wrangling, you can use merging, but the thing is that the whole idea is that they bring your data into a usable format for analysis before you now start cleaning, start removing missing values or fixing missing values and the rest of them, changing from one format to a different format. All right. So the next we have here is what is Python and how is it better than other data analysis module? Python. Many persons they say Python is hard. I won't let it not swallow me. Python is one of the easiest language to learn at all. Very, very easy. One of the easiest language. Now, what is Python? It's a high-level interpreted and versatile programming language that is widely used for a variety of tasks, including web development, automation, data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. It is known for its one simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries ecosystem, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experts alike. So when you say Python is a high-level interpreted language, it is an interpreted language. We have two types of programming language. We have the compiler and we have the interpreter. What the interpreter does, interpreter, whenever you want to run a code, it runs from the top to bottom. But compiler language compiles everything together before you can run. Python, you can run, like we have the notebook now, you can run once the first cell, the second cell. But the compiler, it will have to compile your code and convert it first before you can run. So it's different. We have the Java, we have the C++, we have the JavaScript. JavaScript is an interpreter, I think so. Yes. Then we have other language, C# that are compilers. So Python is a versatile programming language. It can use for many things, for web development, automation, AI, data analysis, machine learning. Call them. Even the ones that are not ESF can be used for them. Python is very, 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 very robust, honestly. And it is not hard though. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. As far as you can learn, mathematics, 1 plus 2, you know how to times, you know exponential, you know how to read and write English. You can easily learn Python. It's the most easiest language to learn. Its readability is readable, and it has extensive libraries ecosystem, in the sense that it has an ecosystem where you won't necessarily need to start writing code from scratch. You import libraries, you go to those libraries and install their module and use in your code. You must know how to code everything from the beginning. That's why it's an excellent choice for beginners. Beginners love Python. Even experts see them running to Python now, because Python is very, very robust and very, very easy, so dynamic. All right, and in the context of data analysis, Python is one of the most powerful programming language due to its powerful libraries and tools that simplify working with data. Yes, tools like Matplotlib, Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn. All these tools, they are what makes Python powerful for data analysis. We have the likes of sklearn for machine learning. We have the likes of PyTorch and TensorFlow for deep learning, and the rest for Lagrange for AI intelligence. Other top libraries which Python has. So now, why is it better for data analysis compared to others? Why is it better? One, Python stands out in data analysis for several reasons. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right.
Yes, yes.
Okay, for several reasons. One, of course, it's user-friendly. It's user-friendly, has user-friendly syntax. It's not like I don't know if you heard about if you heard of Java before, Java and C# or C++. Have you heard of that before? Has anyone heard
Yeah,
of
I've
Java?
heard about
No,
I've heard
no.
of Java. Yeah,
Okay.
as a programming language, I have.
Okay. Have you tried using Java before? Or have you tried,
No,
do
no,
you know anybody using
no,
Java?
no,
Okay.
no, I've not.
Yeah, those languages, they're not user friendly. Honestly, their syntax are not user friendly. Just hello world, I'll just type print in Python, print hello world. In Java, you start importing this. You can write full 5 lines of code or 6 lines of code for you to just tell your this user hello world. Honestly. But why should your user friend why should the language have user friendly syntax? Why does it matter? Python syntax is simple, initiative, and easy to learn, even for beginners. This reduces learning curve for new data analysts and allow them to focus on solving problems than understanding complex code, my dear. What I want is to use the tool to solve problems, not to start cracking my brain and start understanding although knowing how to write code is good though, those complex codes is good though, to make you, if a Java guy now leave Java and come to Python, he will do well, excellently, very well, because you understand those complex codes. But if you start with Python and you want to switch to Java, you might understand it, but you have to study more. Yes, have to study more. Python doesn't take time for you to achieve your task. You can build a website. When you build the website using Python, don't it wouldn't take your time than when you're using other languages. Or when you're building a software using Python, it won't even take much of your time when you use other language. No, it's very user friendly and can easily debug and understand an error when faced. All right. And two, it has a rich ecosystem of libraries and framework. I've said it before. Yes, Python offers a wide range of libraries designed for data analysis. Example, we have Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, sklearn for machine learning, and TensorFlow, and the rest of them for deep learning. All these are dedicated frameworks and libraries for um, for data analytics tasks. All right. So we have three, we have it versatility. Yes, Python is not just limited to data analysis. No, it can also be used for web scraping. So I've worked on that before. I've done some project on web scraping using Beautiful Soup and Selenium. Yes, I worked on project on machine learning using TensorFlow and even sklearn. Yes, I've done some automation and scripting. Yes. So all these are areas. Even when I was coming up a few years ago, I even attempted building a website using Python. We have a framework called Django. We have Flask. All these, we have Streamlit. All these are frameworks that enables you to do a particular task in Python. So Python is so versatile, honestly, very, very. It's easy to learn. When I started learning Python back then, 2016, yes, very, very easy because it's not hard. Yeah, it's not hard. Number four, integration capability. Yeah, Python integrates well into other technologies such as the database, SQL, MongoDB, if your I think it integrates into Postgres too. Abi? No, okay, just MongoDB and SQL. It integrates. You can access your SQL server with SQL server. Yes, I think you can access your PG admin server from Python. Yes, you can access it. You can access SQL server, access MongoDB server. Even Microsoft server, you can access it through Python. It has some integration syntax that will help you and run those codes. Even some big data tools like Hadoop and Spark can also access those servers then using your Python. Same thing with your AWS and Azure cloud services. All that you can navigate them through. They have an expert where you can access them using Python. All right, it can also work seamlessly with other languages like R. Python works with R, Java, making it an excellent choice for collaborative projects. Yes, very well. Python also can also work with your Power BI too. You can also integrate your Python, link Python and Power BI. You can draw some visuals from Power BI in Python. You can also do some other cool things too from Power BI to Python. All right. So these are the reasons why we still have mods. We have more of it. Also, the community and support. Yeah, Python has a very massive global community. I think one of the largest language with the highest community. I think yes, because the way it is growing, it has the largest community globally. Yeah, recognized everywhere. Everybody's contributing whatever they know to help the growing users. I don't think you have any issues when starting Python. No, no, no. You don't have any issues because there are communities and support available. If you go on LinkedIn, if you go on your Stack Flow, Overflow, go to your Kaggle, go to your GitHub. All those ones are resources and platforms that are readily available for you to use when navigating through the Python environment and language. And number six, cross platform support. Yes, it works across all major operating systems like Windows and Mac OS. Just like how your Power BI cannot work on a Mac OS. Do you know that Gloria and Pashas Power BI cannot work on your Mac OS? Sure, you know.
No, I don't know. I don't know that. I don't know. I don't know.
Have you tried working with it on Mac, or have you seen anybody working on Mac? What they do, they create a visual environment for it on Mac to allow you to run on they create the visual Windows environment on Mac so that they will be able to work on with Power BI. If not,
So someone who has a MacBook, how does the person work with what tools would the person use for visualization?
Bro, I'm telling
Or
you
the
now.
person has to look for?
No, what I mean is that all these systems, they have the ability of creating an visual environment in your OS that you can dedicate for a particular operating system. Example now, I can install visual environment now in this my system and dedicate that particular environment for a Mac OS this thing softwares, Linux softwares. That's how they do also too. They install a visual environment, the visual box, and dedicate like some RAMs or some space in their SD memory and for Windows applications. That's what they do there. I have a friend now that she use Mac. That I didn't know before. I just knew of it. That was last year. That Mac, they don't really use what I know
Power
for what
BI.
they use. They cannot Power BI. Power BI is not really have not really been built for to run on Mac operating system and Linux. I think so. Yes, that's what she said. But what she did then, she had to create a visual environment, a visual box that like dedicate some space in your SD for that purpose, then install your Power BI on that particular visual environment, so you can be able to use it there. Still on your PC sharp. That's it, right? Lori, have any question for now? Anything to say? Any contribution?
No, 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 no.
Or do you know about that before now?
No, no, no.
Okay, so you've known something different today now. So in case you want to buy Mac one day, I know that you can't do your Power BI by default. So you just have to do it visual environment. All right. So 7, cost effective. Yeah, Python is an open source language. There's no no module you are paying for, no package you are paying for in Python, no package. But in some language, some programming language, you must pay for some packages or some tools. You must get license before you can able to use them. Example, MATLAB now, there are some tools you pay for, packages paid for in MATLAB. You know MATLAB, mathematical lab now, used to for mathematical analysis. We use MATLAB for that. So you pay for some tools before you can be able to use them in MATLAB. But Python, you don't pay for. I don't think you pay for anything. It's open source. Everything is free. Free. That's why most people are running to it. They are very, very, it's free. It's not expensive. There's no cost, if no cost attached to it. All right. I think that's all for this. All right. So,
What do you mean by libraries?
okay, libraries, they are packages. Example now, I want to develop a website with Python. I'll need to know how to use a framework called Flask API or Flask. Now, in some those are libraries, those are package, those are tools used in Python environments. So in some programming language, they are being paid for. They're not free. Even in Java and PHP, PHP is a programming language for also building mostly on database and web stuff too, and applications. Those languages you pay for, definitely pay for their packages and tools. They're not free compared to Python. Python is very, very free. You don't pay for anything here. No, 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 no. You don't pay for anything. Everything is being used for free. All right. Any question, guys, on that? So we can go to our Jupyter notebook and explore the notebook. Any question?
No.
All right. So Python is not hard. If you have anybody telling you that Python is hard, Python will swallow you. No, Python is not hard. Does not swallow anybody. It's very, very easy and simple. All right. So let's proceed with the Jupyter notebook. All right. So have you guys opened your own? Is your own open? Are we with our PC?
I have a problem because I actually can't find where that Anaconda is. The what I was asking you the other day, I have downloaded, but I can't see that app on my laptop. The way normally, like the SQL, you could find the app. I don't know how to identify that Python in my
Don't
laptop.
worry, you have
But I
me.
downloaded it.
You have me here with you. Don't worry, I'll direct you. All right, so let me just share my screen. Let me just share my screen so you see. Let me share all my screen. Let me just minimize this one. So you will see how to go about it. I believe you can see my screen, right? You can all see it. But Charles, how about you? Is your own ready?
My Jupyter notebook.
Yes. That's the first one we're
Let me
looking
s-
at.
let
Yours
me
is it?
see Jupyter.
Yeah, Jupyter.
Let me open it. Let me open.
Okay. So as for glory,
I opened the app, but what yours is showing and what mine is showing is not the same thing.
let me see your screen. Just share your screen. Let me see your screen. What is your own showing?
Wait, this is what it's showing.
And I locate, find it has opened already. It has opened already. If it has not opened, copy this link here. Copy that link. HTTP dot slash slash. Copy it. Put your cursor there. Copy that
H
HTTP dot this HTTP. Look at it inside this thing you are showing me. This one you shared here. Look at this. No, the up. Go up.
the local host.
Is it that one? Uh,
Is it this one with
copy that one.
localhost dot 888? Eh?
Copy. Copy it. Copy it. Copy that. Copy it. Yes. Copy it. HTTP to the ending. Just copy everything. Then paste it on your browser.
Ah,
Copy it. It ought to have opened now. Why is your own open? Copy it and paste it in your browser. Open the tab for it there.
just what it has been showing since. I don't know.
That's your yeah. That's your this thing. That's your prompt. Your Anaconda prompt. So your prompt to open automatically to open your this thing for you. But I don't know why your own did not open. Close that. Close this Anaconda assistant. Close it.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's same thing now, isn't it? The issue that
Yes, it's the same thing.
mine is dark. Your
It's
own
the
is
same
bright.
thing now.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to ask a question.
Go on.
Must it be opened on the web, or because I don't know.
Yes.
Must
I
it be
don't know.
opened
I
on the
don't know.
web?
Yes. It's
It
not.
must be opened on the web.
No, it's not as if it's offline. No, it's not online. Even if you are
Mm.
offline, to see run. It's a local host. But you must open on a browser. I get me.
Ah,
Open on the browser,
ah.
but it's kind of a local server. It runs on your system. Even if you're not online, it still runs, but it's open locally. All right. So now back to Glory. Please, can you share your screen, please? So now we are good. We are ready now. So perhaps you just hold on. Let me proceed with. Let me continue with Glory. Okay, this is your own. Is this Glory zone? Okay, this
No, it's not. It's still me. Oh.
Glory. Please, can you please just stop sharing? Let's Glory share screen. Let's see. Glory, are you there? Glory, is this your own? This is not Glory, right? Is it Glory?
Yeah, it is. It's glory. Yeah.
All right. So you cannot find an account now. Now click on your Windows icon. Click on Windows menu. No, it's not search. No, not search. Your window icon, click on it. Look at it. Click on it. Where's your mouse? Click on it now. Is this your Windows? All right. Which Windows is this? Windows what? Okay. Look at it here. We have
Windows
Anaconda.
10.
Look at it now. We have Anaconda prompt and we have Anaconda navigator. You can either open using Anaconda prompt or Anaconda navigator. Now click Anaconda prompt. Don't rush now. Calm down now. Why are you rushing? Click Anaconda prompt now. Click on it. Prompt, not navigator. Click on prompt. Let me just show you prompt first. And after, I will not show how to
Yes,
read.
I'm on the prompt, sir.
Okay, as it open. Okay, now
Yeah,
you
you can see my screen.
type, yes, you will type Jupyter notebook there. Jupyter notebook. Type it
Where
there.
should I type here?
Yes, now it's blinking. I told you this thing that time. Now. Didn't I tell you? No, Jupyter. Jupyter. P-Y, not I.
P-Y.
Spell for me, J-U-P-Y-U-T.
Jupyter. P-Y, yes.
That way.
Peter, P
No, you have to remove the U.
after Y.
Pardon?
Remove
Remove the
that U
U,
after Y.
U. After the U after Y, remove the U.
Jupyter notebook. Remove that U.
A
J-U-P-Y.
minute, sir. A minute.
All right, now. All right, tap enter now.
I've pressed enter.
All right, it's loading. Just have patience. I think you also open automatically. If it not open automatically, you go and copy that same thing that you copied. It will open, I think so. It ought to open. Sure. All right, it's to open now. All right, so this is it now. So enlarge your screen, please. Maximize your screen. Close that stuff. Yeah, close the assistant. So these are our root folders. Your local disk, your root drive. You know in your local drive back in your file explorer. Now click on your folder. Let me see. Go down. Click on your file explorer. Let me just see something. Click out.
Pardon?
As in, go back to your PC. Click on file explorer. Let me see your file explorer. That's no, your file explorer. You do your this thing. Your ship. Your did you close it? Did you cancel it? Okay, did not cancel.
Cancel what?
Okay, you didn't cancel it. Now press your Windows E, your Windows keyboard, Windows E. I want to explain something to you. Your Windows key, Windows E, your Windows, that's open your file explorer. All right. So now click on your local
Yeah,
drive.
it's there.
Yes, yes. Click on your local drive. Click on your local drive. Click on it. And click on users. Click on users. Open your users. Your users. Open your administrator, not public. Administrator. Open it. Now look at these folders here now and everything here. Are you seeing this thing now? Now open that your Jupyter notebook. Open that your Jupyter interface. Let's see. No, 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 no,
This
no,
one.
no, 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 not there. Your browser. Open your browser. Open your Jupyter. No, don't minimize it now. Just go and open your this thing. Click on the. Is it? Are you using Chrome or Firefox? What are you using? Say it's Chrome. Click on
Chrome.
Chrome. Click on the Firefox. Look at it there. Click on it. This is it now. Firefox. Click on it. Yes. Abi. Is it where your notebook is? No, now.
I think my
Where did you
notebook.
open your notebook?
The
Is
one
it
you
on
opened on the
Firefox?
web.
The one you put on where is it your Firefox or Chrome you opened it? You have many things open there. Click on that arrow. Let's see. Click on that your arrow there. Let's see. You have two arrows. There's not that one.
Which arrow?
Minimize that. You have arrow here, arrow below your tax bar. You have so many things open. Yes, click on. I think you have some things open that you open there that are hidden. You have something. Where did it? Or did it close it? Like she closed it though.
Pardon? No, I didn't close. I think I used a different browser during the downloading. I remember it asked me about a Microsoft something. So when I opened, I guess that's where the issue is. It's changing the browser interface.
Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is
Let
it
me
now?
close this
Open
one.
it. Let's open
This
it.
one, extreme browser. I guess this is where it is.
Okay, yeah, well, that somewhere.
Because when I come here, it's here.
Okay, open that. Open it now. Let's see now. It's not here now. You just opened it before now. Where I wish I directed you now.
Look at this browser here now, the one beside this and that one. That's the one you use. The one beside the Zoom, yeah, that browser.
That
This is
Chrome. The Chrome, I think so. It's the Chrome you use
this
now.
this is not Chrome. It's Microsoft Extreme or something
Okay,
like
okay, look at
that.
it. Okay, look
Because
at it. Okay.
it came during the installation.
Uh, you can make this your note that your Jupyter notebook open on your default browser. So anyone that is your default, I guess this particular one that opened your notebook is your default browser. That's what I think. Yes, it is because except you copy the link and paste on different browser, it will open its notebook on your browser. So now look at all these folders we are seeing here. Shey they are, I believe they are similar with what we saw at our local drive. That your local drive, your user, right? Are they similar?
Yes.
Now that is what you will see in our
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
in a different pieces. That's what we will see. So your initially your notebook opens your local drive directly. Now you now choose where do I want my files, where will I want my working folder should be. Now, do I want it to be in desktop or document or whatsoever? Now, if example now click your desktop, open your desktop there, click on it. We have desktop, we have
You
documents,
are
we have
breaking, so I
downloads.
don't know if I'm the only one here is hearing that.
I am breaking.
Yeah, I don't know about Charles, but for me, you are breaking.
Charles, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
That means it's your from your
Then I
own
think
end
my
now.
internet is wrong.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So click on your desktop. Click on desktop. Open desktop. Click on it. Yes. Double click. Open. Now, you might want to create a folder, a dedicated folder for this Python. Now, click on your new. Click on new. Look at new there. New at your right hand side. Go right, go right, go right, go right, go right, go right, go right. Your right, your right. Go up. You will see new beside upload. Click on new. Now we want to create a folder now. Click on new folder, new folder, new folder. Yes. Now you rename that folder to your class cohort. What's your cohort name? Name it as Python basics. You've gone to open the folder. You don't have to open it. Go back. Click on this. Click on document desktop again. Click on the desktop here. Look at desktop. Look at no. Go back. Look at the no. Don't do that. Look at desktop. Go down. You see desktop there. I want to go back now. Click on desktop. Click on it. Click on no, not that one. Click on desktop. Yes. Click on it. Click now. Okay. Now, where is that folder you opened? Scroll down. No. Go and rename that folder. Don't click on that folder. Go and rename it. Scroll down. Find it. It will be somewhere. Find it. It is somewhere. They titled it on title. No, go up. You know folders now. After it will be in the last place. Go scroll. Look at it there. Now click.
Look at it on
This
title
one.
folder.
Yes, click on them. Click on rename. Now click and make it Python basic. Potion Python basic class 2025. Potion Python basic class. All right, so now you can tap enter now. Then open it. Potion Python basic. Do the same thing of Pachas. I do the same thing with her. Pachas, are you doing the same thing?
No, I'm just watching what she's doing. I'm not doing the same thing.
Okay, but you know the step now. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I open it. Open the folder. Open that folder now. All right, so this is your working directory, your working folder. So whenever you want to, you can even access this folder now from your normal file explorer. Now do that. Let's see. Do that. Let's see. Go back to your normal file explorer. Let's see. All right, now access, locate it now. Even you don't even have to start going far. Just click on your desktop, you see the folder there. It's there. Look at desktop. Click on the desktop.
Pardon?
Click on desktop. It's there. Even if you don't go to that route, just click on your desktop, you see the folder there. Look at it, Potion Basic. It's in your desktop. You
Yeah, it's there.
must not go through those routes. Those routes. Just click on your desktop, you see the folder there. All right, look at your desktop here. And your left, click on your desktop, the left, you get the file, you get the folder. As easy as that. All right. So now
I've seen it.
okay, now we want to open a notebook now. Let's open our first notebook. You have many things open, please close some files now. Some things are just still share, still go on, don't close it. Are you hearing me? Don't stop sharing.
I think this issue of browser is disturbing me. I don't know how I'll change it because when I change it's transferring.
You can change it now. Just go to your settings. Go to your settings, the applications, set your Chrome
Settings.
or Firefox. Go to settings, go to application, then change your default.
Settings.
Yes, go to your settings.
I go to settings.
Yes, to change it, go to settings. Click on your this thing. Click on your your file menu. Click on your
I'm
menu.
on settings.
Okay. Click on applications and let's see. App. Click on your apps. Click on the apps. Yes, click on it. Click on apps and features. Okay. Now scroll down. Now choose if no there. Just scroll down. Just scroll down. Scroll down. Now choose
I
the
want to Google
click on
this
Google.
one.
Yes, click on Google. No. Okay, go up, scroll up. Okay, look at this. Go back to here. Click on default apps. Your left, you see default apps here. Click on default apps. All right. Now click on that stream. Click on that place. No, scroll down, scroll down. That's for your mail. Click on Chrome. Click on Chrome first. That's your mail. You can put your mail, either mail or Chrome, anyone. And if you
No,
receive
I
mail,
don't want this one. This
okay,
thing came through the
scroll
installation, so
down,
I don't want it.
scroll down. Click on the
Web browser.
okay. So Chrome. So whenever you are opening your notebook now, to open in Chrome directly. So after now, but let's proceed. Let me just share my screen so you
Okay,
can see.
thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me just share my screen. So all right, guys. So don't mind this thing you are seeing is black. So but let me just do what you did. I go to my desktop.
Oh.
I go to my desktop. I create a new folder called look at it here. For portion basic Python 2025. Wow, man. All right. So where is it? This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Okay, look at it here. So I opened it. Now I want to open my first notebook now. I click on new. I click on Python 3, kernel. Now do that. Click on it. You can see notebook or either you click on notebook on your own or you click on this particular Python 3. Click on it. This is it. Has opened. This is my first notebook. Now, if you look for, you can see now we have a Jupyter. This is a menu title bar. Yeah, this title bar. But we have our files as untitled. So we want to rename it. You have to click here. Now, note while renaming this file, don't remove this extension here. If not, before opening this, you cannot access this file again if you change this extension. All right, so you will name this as Python Basic 2025 cohorts. The dot is still there. Dot IPy notebook. Are you guys seeing it now? I click on rename. So now I've successfully renamed my notebook to Python Basic 2025. Let me add portion to it. Let me click on it so that I have other Python Basic notebook here too. So I have to separate it. All right. So rename. All right. So this is our Jupyter notebook environment. As you can see this, right? This is called cell. Let me just make my team. All right, now you see what I'm saying. Now it's almost the same thing what we are having here in yours. I will show you how to change the team color as we progress. Now, as you can see, we are having this. This is called a cell. All right, this is called a cell. Now, the other place that we where is your this 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 is your file explorer for
I have a
Jupyter.
question.
All right, all right. Go on with your
This
question.
thing, can I open it in my file where, or I have to go back to this Jupyter, whatever?
Yes, you cannot access your file in your file explorer. No, you open your file, even if it's visible there, you can see them there, but you cannot open them there. You must open it through your Jupyter notebook environment, else it will not open. Are you guys clear? Are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is that. You can't open it through your Explorer. You must open it through Jupyter Notebook and this thing environment. All right, this is what we call cell. This is where we run our codes. This is a cell. Now, when there's nothing blinking here, the cursor is not blinking, the cell is inactive. And when the cell is inactive, you can either do two things. You can either run the cell. When it's inactive and it's selected, you can either run the cell or you can either turn it into something else. Now, if you I want to run a cell now, let me just do a little statement. Let me just print Potion. Let me print Potion. Now, if I want to run this cell now, I click on run and show run selected cell. I click it. I have my Potion run. As simple as that. Or I click on the Potion again. I go to this plus I'm seeing here. I click it run. Or I go to my keyboard, I press shift and enter at once. It run. Now, if you notice, is what we call this is called your cell number. We have a cell number here. This cell number is what keep track of how many times you run your kernel has run. Your kernel has run. So this is for a cell. Now you can create more cells. You can either create cells above, you can create cells below. You can copy cell, you can paste cell, you can delete cell. Now, how can I copy cell? How can I create cell above and cell below? The simplest shortcut key we have for above is just when your cell is inactive. Now your cell is active. If your cell want to make a cell to be inactive, you click on this cell, this outside the cell, click on it. It now become inactive. And if you want to create a cell above, you press your A above, then below, B for below, or you go to your edit. Your edit is there. You will see okay. All right, look at it here. Is here. Insert a cell below. Insert a cell below. This or is here also too. Move this cell. Okay, this cell is a move. To move cell, you move cell downwards. This cell, you can also move it upwards to be the first cell. So this is basically what cell does. So now let me explain. Any question, please, if I proceed on cell.
Kindly repeat.
I should repeat, okay? I said this is your Python environment, Jupyter environment. Now we have cell. This is cell. This is my cell.
Kindly let me take you back. How did you reach at getting at the cell? You opened the folder we opened.
Yes, now this
I
is
think I
it.
have a problem understanding this interface.
Okay, please open just share your screen. Share your screen. Share yours. It's best you
Okay,
use
I want to open it.
it's best
I
you use
want
your
to
screen.
open it again.
No, share your screen for me. Just share screen. Just do well and share the screen. Let's use your own. So you can do it by yourself and understand it. Because the basics is very important. You have to understand the basic. But Charles, hope you are following.
Yeah, I'm watching everything out.
All right. So I'm waiting for you, Lori. Yeah.
You can see my screen, right?
Is okay. Now open your desk. Click on your desktop. Locate your folder. It's in your desktop now. Click on it. Look at this desktop here. Click on it. No, scroll up now.
The one I created.
Yes, click on the desktop to open the one you created. Look at it now. Python basic question. Python basic in file. Open it. Open it now. Now let's create a new file now. Let's create a new notebook. Our first notebook. Now click on new. Click on new. Now click on your Python. Yeah, click on it. All right. Now you can rename this your file here, or it has opened automatically. So now as it has opened now, you can just come here now and rename it. Now rename it now. Go to your title menu. Go and click on that untitled. Click on untitled. Click on it. Just click on it. Be patient. And now you can rename it to Potion Python Basic.
Python page.
Basic. Name it to Potion Python Basic.
Is it using internet?
No, it's a local browser.
And why is it taking time to load?
Is your RAM now? It's not my now. Mind you, why are you rushing now? Don't rush. Go back, please. I
Sorry.
want to explain something for you. Don't rush. Yeah, mind you, when renaming, don't by any chance and remove that IPYNB there. You remove it, you've now changed the file format, so you can't open it in notebook again. Are you hearing me? Don't change
Yeah.
it in any way at all. All right. Rename, continue. Rename it. All right. So now, so this white long empty tab you are seeing here is called your cell. This is your cell. And as your cell is now is inactive, it's not active. Now, if you click on the cell now,
Pardon?
this is your cell. You can see now, this is a cell. This place now that you are now is a cell. Is a cell, and it is now active. Now it was inactive. Now go to that where I see that blue bar. Click on the blue bar to make it inactive again. Okay, I think it's inactive now. If you click on the cell, if you click outside the cell, you make the cell inactive. But if you click inside the cell, you make it active. Now make it active now. Let's see. Are you there with me?
I can hear you.
Mr. Promise has gotten lost.
Who has gotten?
Yeah.
Are you not hearing me? Can't you hear me?
For a
I
while, we
was
didn't
not
hear
hearing
you.
you.
Papas, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. So yeah. No. You went and minimize it. Now click on that three dotted lines there to expand it. Yes. So now no, don't click on that. Just don't click on that yellow bar, that blue bar. Don't click on that. Click on that to expand it. If you notice now, when you click on that blue bar, it's minimize whatever that is in that cell. Are you getting me? Now, this is
Yeah.
your cell. This is your cell. Click on this, click on the cell, click inside now. Okay, now type print, small p, R-O-I-N-T. Type print. Print your name. Print, open parenthesis. Parenthesis, open parenthesis. Open parenthesis. Open your brackets. That parenthesis. Open your brackets.
And
Yes, open your brackets. Open your brackets. Yeah. Put your quotation mark and type glory. Glory and close it back. Open and close quotation mark. And close your parenthesis back. Close it back. Now you've not typed a value in your cell. A value in your cell. Now, for this particular cell now to be run. Now click on run. Click on run. We have run on our menu bar. Click on run. Click on run. Click on run selected cell. Click on it. Now, have you seen beside that cell, there is a number there. That number shows that that cell has been run. It has been run once. Are you getting me now? That's the first cell
yes,
that
sir.
has been run. Okay. So now this is cell. You can create cell above. You can create cell below. As I was saying, you can move your cells, your particular cell up and down as the case may be. All right. Now, this cell that is blinking now, move it up. Go to your right and you see one arrow facing up. That same cell. Go to your right. Go to your right. Click on up. Click on move up. Now you've seen that that cell now has gone up, then has gone down. So basically, this is all we do in cell. You can run this cell again by pressing your short key, your keyboard, shift and enter. That cell will run. Or you can press this play symbol here in your menu bar too, your toolbar rather. It will also run. The cell will also run. All right. So I believe you're okay now. Let me continue on my own screen. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes, and it's like we have lost.
No, I'm with you. I'm listening.
All right. All right. So let's proceed with my
I'm
own
with
screen.
you guys. I'm listening
Okay, let's
and
proceed.
observing.
Okay. Now this is the cell. Now let's proceed. This is the file menu. In file menu, you can create a new notebook here. You can save your notebook. You can save it as, you can save in rename. You can also export your notebook as HTML, as PDF, and as the case may be, any file type you want. You can as well do that here. All right. Then here also your edit. If you perform any cell action, if you delete any cell or create any cell, you can undo, you can redo here. You can cut a cell, you can copy a cell, you can paste cell above, you can paste cell below when you copy a cell. That's for that. You can view, you can also activate a command palette and all those things. Is not, you might not be using all of them, but the major ones you use mostly is file, edit, run, you run a selected cell, just use this one just now. Run selected cell and insert above. When you run the cell, insert one above. Run cell and do not advance, do not do anything again, just stop there. And run selected cell or current line in console. Then the settings, you can change your theme here. Me, I prefer dark theme because of I. Save at least it's healthier to use that dark screen at night, theme at night because of the eye. Now, we have light, we have dark, we have
What do you mean by kernel?
okay, kernel. Kernel is like the core It's like the
Excuse
processor
me,
of,
sir.
okay, go on. I'm hearing you. And with you, go on.
No, I just want thing.
Okay.
I just want them to understand.
Okay, sorry, I skipped it. Sorry. Yeah, kernel is like like the processor of your Jupyter notebook. Like we have our Windows 10, 11 Pro. Those ones, they are like we have our processor, Intel, and the rest of them as the processor of our operating system. They run on top. Now, your Python Jupyter notebook, you run on top your kernel. So anything you are doing before your code could run, it's been aided by your kernel. So now, as an example, now if a code is delaying, you can interrupt it by clicking interrupt kernel. It will stop running. That's one. You can also restart your kernel too. You can restart it. When you restart your kernel, if you have run if you run any cell from beginning to the ending, you have to rerun again from the beginning. If not, if you have imports, if you have created some variables above and you're using them below, if you restart your kernel, you must go up there and rerun those codes again before you'll be able to use them in later time. All right, that's what kernel means. And mind you, if I close this file here, it's not closed though, it hasn't been closed though, it's still running until I go to my kernel and shut it down. Example, now I close this file. Look at it now, I close it. Let's look, oh, I close this. Now, I can see the file again. I have files here. I have file and I have running. In my menu, this is my menu now. My home, this thing, home view. I have file and I have running. Now in your running now, you will now see all the file that are running. Either I shut them down, all of them at once, or I close them individually. Look at the arrow here. I close them individually, or I shut them down, or I want to open again, I click here to reopen it. So if you like, you closing your files here, I don't shut the kernel down. They are still running. They are still running because I've encountered this whereby I was training a deep learning model where the thing is really delaying me. Why? Even though the model needs a lot of time to run, but some files that are open somewhere, my kernel, I have to go and free up for memory so that it will run fast. So that was why I have to go there. I have to shut some necessary files down so that the one that's running now will have time to continue. All right. So that is for that. And the next one is your settings. Any question, please? File proceed. All right. Can we hear me, guys? Are we still there?
Yeah, I'm with you.
All right. So you have the team. I've explained this. Actually, I don't use all these. I only use the most important ones here. But we have all these ones. You have your text editor indentation. Indent is always 4 space, but you can choose to make your own 8 space or two space, 2 tab space. Is your choice, but conventionally, index is just four keyboard, 4 backspaces, 4 space bar your keyboard, and we can increase our text editor font size and also decrease it. All right, I think basically this is all we have. This is all for now in our Jupyter notebook. We can also cut a cell using the cuts. This one, the here is a save. You can save it. It has saved. Look at it now. 2 seconds ago, 4 seconds ago. I save again. You see now. 1 second ago. All right, that's how to save. You can also save here too if you want to save your file here. You can also insert a cell below, cut a cell, copy a cell, paste a cell, run a cell, interrupt. I think this is interrupt the kernel, undo, okay, restart rather. Then this is run all the kernel, restart the kernel and run all the cell. Then code. We have code and we have markdown and we have raw. Basically, what we use more, we use more of code and markdown. Now, what are markdown? Markdown are like their English-like statements. Okay, markdown enables you to have an English-like statement on your notebook. Mind you, this is notebook. You can write on your notebook. You can also code on it. That's why it's called notebook. You can as well write. You can as well code. Now, if I want to write a topic now, like Python, Portion Python Basic 2025 cohort, what I will do, I will create a cell above. How can I do that? Insert above, I press my A to insert my cell above. I have to make this cell inactive. I click here. I will now go here and create a markdown. Now, when a cell is in markdown, you cannot run it. Now, guys, you see the difference between these two cells. This one has a number, this doesn't have. Now you click this one, you will now write anything here. Portion Python Basic 2025. All right. So this is now, if I run this cell now, if I run this cell, what will happen? You see, it gives me this view. This is a notebook. Now I can format this cell, this text, using what we call HTML tags. You know, HTML is a hypertext markup language. They are tags that we use to position our text on our web page. People that are using HTML, they do more of that. There are tags like we have tags like bold, center. You can create table using HTML tag, and also you can create a header using HTML tag. Now, but here we have a tag that we use for header. Just tag. This one is just tag. Your hashtag sign, hashtag rather. Look at it. We have different type of header. We have header 1. We have header 1. It makes it big rather. We have another header again, header 2. Double tag, double hashtag, hash, space. Make it markdown.
Excuse me, to create, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
To create the enders, you have transformed the map down to what? I guess I've been lost there.
To create what? I didn't get your question. Please, Apache, please, can
The
you
heading,
help us out?
the heading.
Okay, the heading. Apache, please help us out here. She's asking, how did I get the heading? Apache,
How did you get the heading? You just, yeah.
Okay. So director, please, can you share your screen, please? Share your own screen. So he will direct you on how to get that. Can you hear me, Glory?
Hello?
Sir.
All right, so share your screen so you direct you on how to get it, please.
The thing is okay, let me see.
No, it's not you. It's not you. I mean, she. It's her own. Okay. It's she.
Okay, let me stop sharing.
Yes, stop sharing. Let her share her screen so that you direct her on how to achieve that on her own end. Glory, waiting for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
By the way, Mr. Pro, it's not like I've just been seeing what you're doing, but not like. Well, go ahead. I've just been seeing what you're doing. I've been following up with what you're doing. Not like I on.
You don't understand what I've been doing since.
I know
That you go
that.
to Markdown. Yes.
At least I know that step. There's a difference
Then you
between
said
listening and doing. Okay.
then you said that what's it called? If you want to make it bold, you should use the hashtag. If you want to make it bold, that you add two hashtags.
Eh? I'm lost, guys.
Find yourself, please.
You are pressing the wrong thing now.
Click
Go
on
back to
that.
the
I've pressed
Jupyter
hash.
notebook.
No, click on it. Click on it. Look at it there now. Open it by yourself. No, look at it there.
I'm lost.
At it. Look at. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Look at it on your tab already there. Open already. Just click on it on your tab. In your tab. Your tab. That is tab there.
Look at the
I,
Poshem. Look at Poshem. After the home, Poshem on your tab. Mba, no, 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 no. Look at the tab here now. Glory.
You can still open it there, but look at
No,
it. But it's there already. Look at it. It's here already open. Don't click there. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Be going up. Be going. Glory be
this
going.
one.
Be going. Go up. Just go up. Just keep going up. Keep going up with your mouse. Just go up. Just go up. Go up. Just be going up. You're right. Just be going up. Just be going up. Take your mouse up. No, now.
go
Take your
up,
mouse
up,
up.
up,
Go
up,
up.
up, 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 up,
Up.
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 Up where you guys.
Hey God. Take your mouse up. Look at it there. Look at it at your
Go.
close to
Okay, are you
WhatsApp.
seeing this? Are you seeing this?
You have WhatsApp. You have Zoom.
You
You
have
have
WhatsApp, you have Facebook, you have
Zoom. Oh my God.
Oh,
That's it. All right. Now click on the
hashtag.
hashtag there.
that was what I've clicked. Then it has
No,
changed.
you didn't click hash. It's not hash you pressed.
I pressed shift then hash.
No, I didn't
Then
say you
three.
I
See,
didn't I
that's
didn't say
hash.
I press shift hash again. Let's see.
My hash is 3. So I have to
No.
input shift for it to
Yes, now.
input.
Number 3 is hash now. Number 3 your keyboard is hash now. B.
Okay.
That's it. Then space it, space it, space it, space, space.
That is for
Run. Then run now. Run it. You cannot run it now.
Yes.
this one. It is showed.
In his own.
Yeah. I remember that.
All right, have you seen it now?
Yes, sir.
So now, what's your question again? No question, ba? All right. So, Papa Charles, hope you are good now.
I'm
Of,
good. I'm good.
of course, you are good.
Then if you want to
Reduce
increase it,
that.
you add another hash, you add another hashtag now if you want to increase it.
Reduce, not increase. Reduce.
Reduce. Another hashtag.
Reduce. You want to reduce it. Now, Magda has a short key. Is M in your keyboard. M. When it is not active, you press M in your keyboard to just make that cell a markdown. All right. Okay.
When it's not active, you just click M.
Yes, M in your keyboard. It will now right, I think that's all for they have other things to do with markdown sha. So as we progress and proceed, you will learn all those ones. Now, okay, let's get used to
What about
hope
the
this
role?
is
What about the
hope this
role? You
is
can just give
You
What
said,
did you? I know you said we would be doing much on code and markdown. What about the raw? What is this place? Let's just have
actually,
an
I've not used that raw before, Sha. Let me see what raw
oh
mean. Okay, raw is almost the same thing as markdown. Yeah. Okay, what raw does is that it makes it a markdown, but it does not remove the cell. You can't run the cell, quite all right. It can't do anything for you, but it's like a markdown, but it will not remove the cell border. Now, as you can see now, markdown remove border. Look at it. There's no border here in markdown. There's no border here in markdown. But raw,
mm,
look at it. I made it to be raw now. Shey. Raw made this. Can you see it? I see the difference between these three cells, this one, this one, this one, and this one, these four cells. Any difference, guys? This is a cell that is runnable. This is a raw, is a markdown, but the cell border is showing, is not being removed. Almost into markdown. But the markdown now, it is not runnable and it doesn't have any border. Look at it now. This is a markdown, this is a raw. I believe it's clear now, right? Even though I don't use that, I don't use the raw. But let's see if the same syntax will work on the raw. It doesn't work. All right. Now, what's the
is
difference
that
now?
is that this one is it raw? Is this one raw? Abi, this thing is mark is
This
okay,
is
okay,
raw.
okay,
This is raw. This is raw. This is
okay,
markdown.
okay.
This is raw. This is code. Now, raw, just make it to be raw. That's what it means. It's just raw. Nothing changed. Just that you cannot run it. Even those markdown tags, those tags cannot work in the raw. If you notice now, I tried it now. I tried using the ash. The ash didn't work. Sorry. The ash did not work here. I seen it. It left it the way you wrote it. You typed the hash tag, the hash, and it didn't really format your text. It left it like that. So that's very anything raw and markdown. All right, Lori, are you cleared on that? Any question? So when we start using the notebook
No.
proper, you understand what all this is mean. All right, let's try and open a PS Code. Yeah, let's close this one. Close your. Now let's go and kill your kernel. Kill it. Go home. Click on your home and go and shut down all kernels. Shut down all of them. After we have saved it, have you saved it? Sorry, you save first. After you save, then you go and shut down all kernels. Shut down. Then you close your Jupyter notebook. You can come to this your CLI here. This is your prompt that opened. This is your prompt that was open here. You can come here and do Control C. Control C, shut down your kernel. It interrupts your kernel and it shut down. Look at it here. Interrupted. Kernel shut down. Interrupted. Then I close it. We are done with. So anything you do here now, it won't work because why? You've shut down your kernel. All right. Anything you do here will not really work because your kernel is being shut down. All right. Understood? Understood?
When you after you have run that, what were you writing? Is it a notebook? I can't remember. Whatever you are doing, you file, then you go to kernel and shut them up, Ama.
I shut them down, yes. I
Do
save
you
it.
have to always go to the kernel to shut them down?
It's not a must, but you can I'm just showing you I'm just giving you an illustration. It's not a must but a proper example now, if you enter your house, you open your door, right? After entering your house, either you close your door or you lock it or key back. Just like that. I finish using a plate after eating. I wash the plate and keep, or I keep it there. Another day I come to wash it, or maybe in some hours time. So if you wish to do the same thing I did, fine. If you don't want to, just close the browser. Close the browser like this. Close it now. Gone. Right. That was just what I just showed you how to do it in a proper way. I get me. And you go to your command line, that prompt you opened, you go there and you close it there, interrupt there and close there. All right. So that's that for that. So let's briefly go through VS Code. Let's go through VS Code briefly. All right. I believe we have installed our VS Code. All right, please, perchance open your VS Code. Let's see what we have there. Let me stop sharing now. Perchance, are you there? Open your VS Code. Let's see. Let's see what we have there. Are you there? Perchance? Glory. All right, Glory, open your own. Let's see, please.
I think Papa Charles is on his way opening.
Okay, because he's not saying anything that way.
My network is kind of having an issue. Sorry about
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Glory, please open
So I open what?
your VS Code.
What am I opening?
Just open the VS Code. Let's see. Maybe we'll continue in our next class.
VS Code. What is that? This one?
Your Visual Studio now. I thought I gave you guys shut this one, close this one, just close it, close this ones. Close your notebook. Close the notebook.
I close completely.
Just close your notebook. The tab. Look at the tab there. Click on the tab. Look at the X there. Click it and close it. Close your tab. So you can close your browser, your tab in your browser. Close it. Just close the tab. Are you
Can you
there?
see my screen?
I'm seeing your screen now. I'm seeing your screen very well. I say close your tab. Close the tab. Or I mean, just
Which
minimize.
tab?
Just minimize it. Just minimize it. Just minimize it. Just click on. I mean, click there. Click minimize. Click there.
I don't understand you, sir. You have said I open or whatever.
So you should open. I gave you 3
Can you
links.
hear me?
Are you hearing me now? Are you hearing me? I said we are done with this notebook for today.
Pardon?
I said we are done with Jupyter notebook for today. I gave us three different software packages to install. I gave you Anaconda, which we have just finished using now. I gave us VS Code. I gave us PyCharm. So I said we are done with this one now. Either you minimize it or you close it. Now open your Visual Studio Code. Let me see your VS Code, the one you downloaded and the one you installed.
it.
I guess
Pardon?
you did that now. You showed me now. You did that one now. Are you not hearing
But
me?
it's this one. I'm getting you. I'm going to see it's this Visual Studio Code.
Yes.
Yes.
Please.
But it's
Minimize
not
it.
an open, guys.
I'm not seeing it
We are
now.
not seeing it, though. What we are still seeing is your Jupyter notebook.
That's what we are trying to
Oh,
say.
I don't know.
I'm not
Stop
seeing
that.
it
Let me stop, then I reshare again. Sorry for that.
right now.
Sorry for that. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I'm trying to open. Trying to open.
Can you see it now?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
I've seen it. All right. Now, we can also open that folder we opened on our VS Code. And I'll just try. I'll just touch it briefly. Then next week we continue. Now, click on your open folder. This is interface when you wait, don't rush, please. Wait. This is your interface when you that you will see. The first thing you will see when you open a new VS Code that you've not worked on, a version VS Code. You will see a new file, open folder, and connect to. VS Code is a powerful tool for development. No matter how good you are, how bad you are, you should be using VS Code. Even some persons don't even use notebook. This year, I said that I'll never be using notebook again. This year, now I want to be using VS Code. Because in VS Code, you can track your programming time. I will show you how to do that. You track your time. You can connect your GitHub directly from your VS Code and do anything you want to do with your VS Code. Is a versatile. You can code VS Code with HTML, PHP, JavaScript, Python, C#, C++. You can code those programming language on VS Code, the Visual Studio Code. All right, so now let's open our already created folder. So we have a project already created. So we don't have to go and create a folder or project for it. Now just click on open folder. Click on open folder. You can either click it in this start or click it in your file menu. Open folder, not open file, open folder, not open file, open folder. Click on that. Now click on your desktop. Click on your desktop where you created that file. Click on your desktop. Click on desktop. Now we are open. No, we want to open the folder. Now click on that and select it. Click on portion and select it and click on select folder. Don't open it, just click on select folder. Now we have now opened the portion folder. So anything that is inside that folder will show up here. Click on yes. Click on trust the author. Check it first. Okay. All right. Now click on this file. Click on that portion file. That portion file. Click on it. Open it. Yes. Click on it. All right. So this is what we have. Now.
What you have been doing.
Exactly. Now let me show you something. Now. Let me show you
pardon. So whatever we have been doing has been automatically saved in my desktop, but I can't open it. I have to open it through Jupyter or this one.
That is it. That is it. I get me now. Now, look now. You cannot run this.
Is it automatically? Sorry for cutting you. Is it that it's automatically saved or she saved it previously? I don't know.
Before now, you saved it. Now, when you are doing working on the file, you save. But one thing that Jupyter helps us to save our file, even when we forget saving it. I get me. It helps us to save our file. Even though if you forget saving it, it will help you and save it. That one good thing with Jupyter. But at times too, they forget to, they will never even save for you. They leave it there. I get me. It helps you to save. Yeah. Now, if you run this file, it will not run. Do you know why it's not run? Because you have not installed a Python extension to your Visual Studio Code. Any language you want to work on in this your VS Code, you must install the extension. VS Code is an environment that accommodates many languages and varieties of extensions. Now let's install. Now these guys they notice that we are writing a Python code. So now they brought up an option. Do you want to install the recommended Python extension from Microsoft for the Python language? You say yes, install. Or we can also show the recommendations, because recommendation, there are a lot of recommendations, there are many versions, but we also know that what they recommend is good. So now click install. If you run this thing now, it won't run, show you error. Now try it, let's see. Try it first, let's see before you install. Run. Click.
How do you run?
Now look, click on that cell. No, calm down, don't rush, be patient. You will see a plus there. You can see run there, but you look at a plus, look at that, look at that play button there beside it. You see a play button there beside your cell. Click on it. Click on it. You see that it's not run. They ask you to what? Install enable suggested extension. So you have to now install the what extension. Now click on your install there. Come down and click on that install now. Let's install it. Where did it? Okay. Okay. It's installing now.
I thought we had already installed this one.
You installed it in no, now this is an environment. We are installing Python inside your Jupyter, your VS Code. I said VS Code is a universal environment that accommodates varieties of languages. So any language you want to work on, you must what? You must install the extension in your VS Code to enable it to work on those languages. Like you can install your PHP files inside your JavaScript. You can install C++, C# extension on your VS Code. It accommodates all of them. Unlike Anaconda Jupyter Notebook that's only for Python. Jupyter Notebook is only for Python. You can't run anything again on top of Jupyter environment, just Python only. But this one now is a universal kernel. It works, it accommodates varieties of packages, all right, and languages. All right, so this one is running now. Is kind of delaying. It's running. Don't know why you.
I hope Chelsea, you are doing it on your side. It's finished.
All right, finish now. It has now you now have to, I think you have to restart your, close it and open it back. Close your VS Code and open it back. Close it and open it back.
Close it here.
Yes, close it there.
I close it from here.
Yes, exactly. Open it. Abachas, asking a question.
So you are saying that Jupyter Notebook only works for Python?
Yes. Anaconda. Now listen. Now let me clear your question. Anaconda is a suite that has varieties of packages. Anaconda is not only for Python. It's a suite that like have our MS Office that has Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Access, Microsoft Access, and other packages. Them is a suite. Even in Anaconda, if you install Anaconda in your system, you see, if you open it, you see PyCharm there, you see VS Code there, you see a Spider there, you see a Notebook there, you see other tools there too. And you now choose the one you want. That is why, that's what I meant. But Jupyter Notebook itself cannot run on any other language again, apart from only Python codes. It only understands Python syntax. So now, but this is an ID that accommodates other ones. All right, are you clear now? All right, go to the same process now. Open your folder, open your desktop, open the file you open and run the code. It will run now. All right. Open your folder.
I think I've already opened it. Why is it? It's taking me back to where I was before I switched off.
Open the folder, open project folder. Let's.
Now this is a welcome. That other one is a welcome tab. Just close it. Close it. Close it. Click on it and close it. That tab.
I close this one.
Close it. It's not necessary. Close
I
it.
close this one.
Yes. Now you can run your cell. Now it will run. Now
Still saying
click on.
install.
Have you not installed it? Click on that. Let me see. Click on. Type Python there. Type Python there. Let's see. Let's see. Python. 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 Let's see. Py Or go to your settings. Click on settings. Come down to your left. Come down to left. Come down to your left. Down to your bottom left. Bottom left. Bottom left. All right. Click on settings. Manage. Click on your extensions. Look at extensions there. Sorry. Extensions. Click on extensions. Click on it. Then click on okay. You've not installed Jupyter. Just mind you, just installed Python. Calm down, don't rush, please. Please don't rush, please. Please don't rush. Listen to me.
Yeah. Okay.
Mind you, what you installed is Python. You did not install Jupyter. Now, please don't be confused. Oh. Jupyter is an environment that operates on Python kernel, that runs on Python kernel. So you can create a Python script. Like Python script has a extension called .py. But this is a notebook. Python, this is your notebook .pypynb is a notebook. Python notebook as an extension. Now, what you installed Python. So if you open a file, write a Python script to run, but you need to also install this Jupyter extension. That is what is why this one is here now. Recommended. Now click install, please. Scroll down, click install. You've already installed your Python. Now click install. Install this. Look at the install button here. Install it now.
Jupyter.
Yes, click on it.
I installed Jupyter.
Yes, click on it. All right. Now this one is also is now installing. Now installing. So this one now, this particular extension now will now enable your notebook to run on the Python. You can install only Jupyter. It will still not run because Jupyter is like the building standing on top the foundation, which is Python, the Python kernel. All right, now close that.
Mr. Promise, let me ask a question, please, because
ask a question.
It sounded like a lot because I'm new to this.
Okay, go on.
From what you're saying is, in essence, is are you saying that when we install when we come to the Visual Studio and we install Python, we also have to install Jupyter Studio, Jupyter Notebook?
Yes. Now,
is that what you're saying?
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
So in essence, let me say maybe I start programming from what's it called, this Visual Studio directly, and maybe I just installed just only Python, and I run the print bracket open quotation mark open and close chows in between and close and run. Without Jupyter, is not going to run.
Now, let me I don't want to give you yes or no answer. Now, look at the file you opened. Is IPYNB. Sure, you know. I seen it .IPYNB. It is an IPython notebook file. Now, if you click on your file menu, you will see new. Now go there, go there. Glory, go there, please. Take your mouse to that file. Yes, click on file. You will see new file. Click on new file. Now click on new file. Now, new file. Now click down. Look at the file. Now we have Python file. We have Jupyter notebook file. If you run Jupyter notebook file without installing your Jupyter notebook extension, it will not run. But even though you even if you okay, I feel, but I'm not. I think I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure of that statement now to make now. If you don't install your Python Python kernel, this Python kernel on this VS Code, I think your Jupyter notebook will not still run. Because your Anaconda, that one we did, it's a suite. So remember when you are opening a file in your Jupyter notebook, when you click on that new, you will see a new it shows you new notebook file, it shows you new terminal and new folder, right? Are you hearing me, guys?
Yes,
Eh?
I'm hearing you.
Okay, now
I'm hearing
when
you.
Yes.
we go to rename, as if we are so observant, you notice that beside that you see a kernel. They showed I something kernel. That kernel is what is called your Python shell that is making the user notebook to run on its own, because that notebook carries a shell, the Python kernel inbuilt in it. So the difference between a Python script and a Python notebook. Python script end with py. Your notebook cannot run on your server. What runs on server is your Python script. So if I do my notebook work, I want to build my model. I don't deploy my model with my notebook. No, I deploy my model with my Python script .py. That was why after we installed our Python this thing, Python environment, Python how will I call it now? Python shell, which we just did now. We still installed our Jupyter notebook. Am I cleared?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. With time, you understand this very well. Why you think is looking as if it's kind of difficult or complicated? Is because we are just opening this VS for the first time. But as time goes on, you understand everything together. All right. So I think we are good here. Close that. Go back to your home. Click on that. Click on your file again. Click there. No, just click on. Yeah, just click there now. Click on your
I click on
click on your normal notebook, your normal file. Click on the environment. All right, click there.
this
Just
one.
click there. All right. So okay, click here. Click this. Go up. No. With your mouse. I want this. I want this to clear off. I want this extension to clear off. Take your mouse to your file. Take your mouse to your left. Take it to the left. Take your mouse to the left. Your mouse to the left. Go down. Your left, little, down, little. That file there, that file icon there. You have a file icon beside extension. Just click on it so that it takes us to your file back. Click on it. Yes, click on it. Click on
This
it.
one.
Yes, click on it. All right, so we are good now. So I think this is where I think we'll use, I don't know, maybe we'll be using them together. Sometimes we'll be using Jupyter notebook. Sometimes we'll be using this particular one too, an account VS Code. And next week I'll explain a little of PyCharm, but I don't think we use PyCharm that much. Okay, we can use it for basic Python, but not for other analysis. If you can use it, shall, but what it does, it brings out a different interface that will help you to visualize. It does not visualize on the PyCharm environment. It brings out a different environment for visualization. I have to now install Matplotlib and the rest of them. All right. Any question, guys? I think we are. I just gave us more than 10 so that we'll cover up for the few time we missed because of the recording. All right, guys. Any question, please?
None from my end for now.
Everything is cleared now, right? Kawira, how are you?
I said I'm okay for now. That's what I was saying.
Okay, for now. Okay. Kawira, how about you? Are you okay too?
Yes.
All right. So it's good night now, right?
Okay,
Okay, sir.
no worries. Thank you very much.
Your assignment now is to go and watch your the two videos, and understand all that we've said, or if possibly know them, because In our next class, we use like 10 minutes to explain what we've learned so far before we proceed. All right.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
All right, guys. Good night. Thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Good night.
All
Yeah,
right.
have a pleasant night, sir.
Yeah, same to you.